Hello everyone, in this video I will show how you can clean up unnecessary media files from your WordPress website. Recently I migrated this website to a new hosting provider, removed some outdated posts and decided to start fresh. You can see there are 700 plus images in my media library, but most of them are unused. Today we will be using a high quality effective plugin called Media Cleaner to remove unused images from the media library. When you search the plugins, you will find Media Cleaner in your WordPress. So install this plugin and activate it. After activating the plugin, if you visit the media section, you will find an option called Cleaner and click on this option. So this page will be appeared. After that, you have to scan all the medias to identify all the unused medias. So I will scan this and wait until it finishes the scan. After scanning, you will see all the unused medias are listed here. So I have decided to remove all the unnecessary images from the site. I am recording this process because it might also help you in various situations where media cleanup is needed. You can review each image individually and decide which one to keep for future use. However, I will be deleting them in bulk to save time. So we will click on delete all button and then confirm. This will delete all the images from the media library, and basically this will remove all the unused images. So let's check our media library again, and here you can see all the images that was unused or are removed. Our media library now has only 62 images left. To ensure everything is working properly, we will revisit our website to check if any images are broken or missing. As you can see, all images are displaying perfectly and the unused ones have been safely removed. I will include the plugin link in the video description so you can use it in future. Thanks for watching.